Welcome to BSPM. Today I am going to show you a project demo on smart helmet. The impact when a motorcyclist involves in a high-speed accident without wearing a helmet is very dangerous and can cause fatality. Wearing a helmet can reduce the shock from the impact and may save a life. There are many countries enforcing a regulation that requires the motorcycle rider to wear a helmet while riding. So, as to overcome these problems, a smart helmet is proposed, having a control system built inside a helmet. Let's design it. Let's see the functional block diagram. It consists of a microcontroller. A vibration sensor is used to detect an accident. A RF decoder to receive the data from the helmet. LCD is used to display the various information. A DPDT relay is used to switch a single UART to GSM modem and GPS receiver. Motor driver to drive the DC gear motor. Let's see the helmet side. It has a alcohol sensor and a limit switch which is activated when the helmet is weared. Both the signals are fed to the RF encoder. Output of this encoder is connected to the RF transmitter. Let's see the circuit diagram. It consists of a ATmega32A microcontroller running at 8 MHz clock and operates at 5 volts power. HT12D RF decoder is connected to the GPIO pin. Switch and the vibration sensor are connected to the interrupt pins. A 16:2 character LCD is configured in 4-bit mode and connected to the microcontroller port C. LED and buzzer are used for indications. GPS receiver and GSM modem are connected to the microcontroller through DPDT relay, which in turn control from the GPIO pin. DC gear motor is driven from the MOSFET BS170 and driven from the GPIO pin. Input power to the system is 9 volts and are regulated to 5 volts using LM7805 regulator. Let's see the helmet section. It has HT12E encoder, a 434 MHz RF transmitter, a alcohol sensor is connected to the data pin, a switch which is used to detect the helmet is connected to the enable pin. Input power to the helmet is 3.7 volts which is regulated to 5 volts using a boost converter. Let's see the program. The program is quite simple. The main function of the program is to monitor the helmet. If the helmet is weared, the system allows you to take the vehicle, check whether the driver is consumed the alcohol, and monitor the vibration sensor. If the accident is occurred, the system will send the emergency message with the location information to the relatives by SMS. The program is written in Atman Studio 7. Let's compile the program. Press F7 to compile the program. Let's flash the program into the controller. Press F8. Let's see the smart helmet. It consists of a 3.7 volts LiPo battery, a battery charger, a boost converter, a HT12E encoder with a RF transmitter, a alcohol sensor is connected in front of the helmet, and a limit switch which is placed on the top side of the helmet. Let's see the hardware. It consists of a ATmega32A microcontroller, a 16:2 character LCD, a DPDT relay to switch a single UART to GSM modem, and GPS receiver which is placed near to the window. HT12D RF decoder with a RLP434 RF receiver module, a vibration sensor, and a DC gear motor. Entire system is powered from 9 volts which is converted to 5 volts using LM7805 regulator. Let's power on. Once the power is applied to the controller, it will initialize the peripherals like GPIO, timer, and UART. Once it is done, it will monitor the RF decoder and the vibration sensor. Let's have a ride. The system will not allow you to take the vehicle as the helmet is not weared. Let's wear the helmet. Now the helmet is weared, which is detected by the microcontroller as the signal from the RF is detected. Start the vehicle. Now the vehicle is moving. As soon as the helmet is removed, the vehicle stops. Helmet removed. Vehicle stopped. Let's wear it again to check the working of a alcohol sensor. Helmet weared. Start the vehicle. Let's have some alcohol. The sensor detects it and the vehicle will stop. Alcohol consumed. Reset to start. Let's reset the vehicle. When the accident is occurred, the vibration sensor detects it. Accident occurred. Sending SMS. The location information will be sent to the relatives through the GSM modem. Now the message is received. Your vehicle got accident at a location. Once you click on the link, the Google map will open, which shows the location where the accident is occurred. Circuit diagram program and other details are available in the description. If you have any doubts in the project, leave them in the comment section below. Guys, in the previous episode, we ran the contest. And the winner of the contest is Sanjay. Congratulations to you. We will get in touch with you shortly. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like, please thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Until then, don't forget, keep learning.